A cell at telophase stage is observed by a student in a plant brought from the field. He tells his teacher that this cell is not like other cells at telophase stage. There is no formation of the cell plate and thus the cell is containing more number of chromosomes as compared to other dividing cells. So what this would result in? So answer will be option B, polyploidy. Because polyploidy refers to a condition where an organism's cells have more than two sets of chromosomes. For example, triploid as well as tetraploid. So in this scenario described here, where the student observes a cell at the telophase with no cell plate formation and an abnormal number of chromosomes. So it suggests that the cell has undergone a failure in cytokinesis, resulting in the doubling of the chromosome number. So this leads to polyploidy, a condition where the chromosome number is more than the normal diploid number. So commonly which occurs in plants due to errors in cell division. So the answer is polyploidy. Whereas coming to option A, aneuploidy, this refers to a condition where there is an abnormal number of chromosomes but not a complete extra set. It is different from polyploidy and can involve either a gain or loss of chromosomes. So option A is incorrect. Option C, somoclonal variation. So this refers to genetic variation that occurs in plants that have been propagated through tissue culture, leading to changes in traits. So option C is also incorrect. Option D, polyteny. So this refers to a condition where the chromosomes undergo repeated rounds of DNA replication without cell division, resulting in large multi-lobed chromosomes. So it is not related to the situation described here. So option D is also incorrect. The answer is polyploidy.